the anti-pollution masks, a product that's solely being made to counter the pollution caused by all of the humanity are becoming part of our daily lives. As you all know that the level of pollution is presently the highest in the whole world, especially in our country. Moreover, I was watching the World Health Organization database of 2018, which shows that 13 out of 20 most polluted cities in the world are Indian cities, which is a very alarming cause for all of us. But for the time this pollution exists, we can just use the precautionary measures, and today I'm going to talk about one of them, the Mi AirPOP anti-pollution mask. I am using this mask from past 10 days, and what are my reviews about it? Do I like it? Dislike it? Is it worth your money? Let's roll the intro first and find out more. But before we proceed further, you make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Well, before the review, let's see the product closely. The outer part of the mask is made from fabric which is soft, skin friendly, and having a 3D design offering smooth and comfortable fit. Apart from that, there's a large breathing valve that takes the air in but block the pollutants from it. Now, moving to the inner part of the mask, we get this soft white filter that works on 4-layer filtration mechanism. It's made up of 4 layers named primary layer, support mesh, electrostatic microfiltration layer, and water permeable layer. All these layers help to combat pollutants, pollens, smoke, and other harmful contaminants and ensure that we breathe clean air. Apart from that, on the upper end, we have this spongy form which is very soft, and unlike other masks which use metal nose bars, this thing adjusts to the sides of the nose very well. So guys, this is a physical overview of this mask, and now what are my reviews after using it for 10 days. If you are going to follow my advice, then I will tell you purchase this thing, because this thing really gives some positive results and I have also experienced it. A simple minimalistic product with no extra accessories. Just use it while you are driving or while you are going outside. You will also feel the difference. And yeah, if I am or someone is telling you to buy this thing, that doesn't mean that you should continue doing what you are already doing with the environment. Be a responsible citizen and take some actions so that the coming generations shouldn't use these type of products. Already millions of people are suffering from diseases caused by pollution in the whole world, and I don't want this thing in the future. So I believe that my video should not just focus only on a certain thing, but it should also give a valuable lesson. Rest, I hope you like this video, and I will be very curious to show you some more interesting videos like this in the future also. So do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with me. For the time being, goodbye guys, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.